Good evening, everyone. Anthony, Wall Street Trader, 7:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, January 10th, 2022. This is not financial advice. This is educational. Click the subscribe, share the video, click the thumbs up. We're here to talk about Origin Protocol. All right, so you can be one of two people. You can say, oh my God, I can't believe how low this has gone. Or you can say, let it come lower so that I can buy more. Now, it looks to be that we do have a lower line of support. I mean, starting to evolve out of this. As you can see all the way back here, and I'm going to turn this green because I'm trying to keep a consistent view of horizontal lines to be green. But, as you can see back here, we've had multiple areas of candles back here, kind of resistance, support a little bit, support again on these two wicks down here. And as you can plainly see, we almost started going down, possibly even further. Now, this line right here is around 44 cents, 43, 44 cents. Looks to be a grueling low for Origin Protocol, Origin US dollar. Not to be confused with OUSD, which is their DeFi product. But still, we are at 49 cents on OGN US dollar, and I think the floor support right now is around 43 and change. We are at least 10% above that. We do have resistance still at 55 cents, and we're kind of caught between both of these lines, 43 and 55. So let's go and try to figure out what's going on by looking at the Origin Bitcoin pair. But before we do that, I also want to call out this line over here, which is starting to turn into a potential area of resistance. Now, we got to get over this in order for this thing to start cooking again. And this line is way up here. This is really where this trend line was going as and when we were going through, as and when we were over it. However, that line right now is at 64 cents. So we're not going to be doing much until we get past this line, this diagonal line of resistance. However, if it starts coming down again, you get another shot at 43 cents. I think it's a great entry point. If you don't have it, and if you do have it, it's a great way to dollar cost average it as well. So 49 cents on Origin US dollar. Origin Bitcoin also starting to come down a little bit. Looks like we might have other local support down here. I'm not going to draw the line right now, but it looks to be, we have one way down here. Actually, it's probably up over here where we've got some support and resistance. And this looks to be around 1100. Again, it's too hard to tell on this particular pair, unfortunately, because we don't have that much price action back here that was stable enough to give us enough understanding of where the support lines are. But it looks to be, based on back here, this could be the spot. And we're looking at around 1100. We're at 1183. Again, maybe 5 or 6% below from where we're at. I think it's not uncommon to see wicks and then see things bouncing back up again. So we'll have to see how that plays out over the near term. Unfortunately, these wicks do sometimes are one wick wonders. And as we see with Bitcoin, we see the same thing. We've seen it in the past. Here's Bitcoin. Bitcoin US dollar in the past, back in September, came all the way down. We wicked below the line of support, which was 40,500, which is our today line of support. We wicked down and we went up, and we didn't look back again. And we wound up going all the way up to 68,000. And we came down again. We hit 40,500. We wicked down. And now the question is, now we're back over the 40,500 line. And are we going to start crossing above 44K? Or are we going to pass and break below 40,005 and come all the way down to 37,400? So we're going to have to see this one play out. This is too early to tell. A couple of things that concern me about it, to be honest, here is Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance has been going up pretty quickly, but at the same time, Bitcoin US dollar has recovered pretty quickly as well. So a couple of things in Bitcoin's favor and a couple of things against it. This here is really kind of driven through Bitcoin going down. A lot of uncertainty in Bitcoin, I think, in general. However, Bitcoin US dollars at 41,700. I personally believe we stay over 40,500. Yeah, we might get a wick here and there, but I think overall, I think we wind up hitting 44 and above before we get all the way down here at 37.5. But I'll keep you posted on